We're nearing the end of our stay in our original homestead. With that being said, we needed to start disassembling some of the features that we wanted to take with us and salvage out of this house. We started with the cabinets. The first one went smooth. The second one right here also went smooth. The last one back against the wall took us a while. It was nailed really well. We just went up and down and back and forth and prying each individual piece, each individual nail to try to take the one piece as a whole. Right in the end here, we had to cut the one side off. I believe the whole cupboard was built into the house, so it was really tight trying to get it out as one piece. We ended up getting the little electric chainsaw and had a first time of running the chainsaw in the house. It was pretty fun. Then we started working on the windows once we got these cleaned out, and that went pretty smooth as well. Little test window.
Yeah. Look at all these bad boys.
With the handy dandy helpers as usual.
Nice if we had a drill, but that'd be too easy.
That'd be too easy. We gotta earn it. Starting to take the windows out. It's pretty easy once you figure out what piece is holding what in. I had never taken a window out or put one in, but it's all these little trim pieces that hold them in. They're pretty thin, it's less than an inch. And it's just nailed all around the sill. You can see the top one's hanging there. So I just went around and I took all of them out. I popped all those trim pieces off all these windows. So hypothetically, all these windows can push out from the inside now. So we'll see. We're gonna leave them in until we absolutely have to. These ones were interesting. It took me a minute to figure out what was window and what wasn't, but you can see the little chunk of metal right there. I think these are pretty old windows. There's not much to them. But yeah, that's what we're working with. It's getting there. Yeah, these are all, this glass is almost just glued. It's a pretty old window. Like I said, I don't know anything about windows, but it appears to be a pretty old window. And the same thing with the newer modern windows, just like on the other side, you just pop that trim off. And like I said, hypothetically, this one's a good example. Right here, there's quite a bit of gap, and this one actually started to come out. Just when I was prying on it, you can see that gap there. And just when I was prying all the boards off here, that one started to pop out. Here's a picture of the soon-to-be old homestead. It served its purpose. It was a good starter house. Now we're on to bigger and better things.